Cooking classes are popular all over the world. The first American cooking class was the Boston Cooking Class, which was founded in 1879. Here at Washington Park, the cooking class has been installed for 2 years. Shakir Khan reports.
Great foods often start with a sizzle. Pouring chicken broth into rice begins this process, one of many signs that the dish is cooking well. Doing this causes the rice to become creamy and lets it stick together.
So you gotta make sure that it's always white.
This lesson is made possible by Miss Brunetti, the Italian language teacher who runs the after-school cooking class.
We are making a pasta with fresh tomato sauce and basil, and risotto, lemon risotto. I made them many times. Originated their lemon rice. I am from Tuscany in Italy, and in that region we produce rice. So I grew up eating rice, and lemon is also a plant and that we have along the coast, so it's practically using whatever is around you. Tomatoes we use in all Italy. I'm not sure the dish was made the first time, but it's a common dish in Italy. The tomato pasta, fresh tomato pasta is made with cherry tomatoes sliced, some extra virgin olive oil, garlic, salt, obviously, and a little bit of water at the beginning so that the tomato they melt a little bit.
Everyone has a favorite dish, whether it's pizza, pasta, or food from home. Miss Brunetti and her students have their own preferences.
My favorite dish is actually clam spaghetti, but here you don't have this type of clams that I use. And it's very simple, it's only spaghetti, clams and garlic, but the taste is so good.
I like to prepare spaghetti because it's the easiest and it tastes good.
Borscht, and because it's one of my family favorites.
Ramen, because it's good. It's a fact.
I am grating the skin of the lemon.
Lemon is an important ingredient for the risotto. They will add the lemon zest and will mix it with the rice. This will allow the risotto to taste like lemon. Cooking class is open to all students, each of whom has their own reasons for joining. For some, it's an alternative from being home alone, and it's an interesting activity.
I get left at home a lot because my parents go to work, and usually I get hungry, but I don't want to eat what's in the drawer, so this helps me make what I want to make.
I watch my younger siblings a lot, and one of my favorite hobbies is cooking.
It made me participate in cooking class because my parents, they were like chefs, so I was interested to like participate and like kind of be like a mini chef. They make like Italian and like Brazilian food, sometimes American though.
Tasting food is just as good as cooking it. The lemon risotto and the pasta with tomato sauce took a lot of hard work and ingredients to complete. In the end, the dish turned out to be delicious.
It tastes fresh tomato, like when it smells that you just pick it from the plant, and it's sweet, very sweet. Not sweet as a cake, but usually when you eat tomato sauce, it's from the can and it has a kind of bitter aftertaste. This doesn't have it.
It tastes really, really good. I'm glad to have heard the way it came out.
It tastes very good.
Ms. Brunetti and her students were happy to see the dish turning out well. This cooking class will continue to expand and introduce new students to culinary arts. The class will add Italian dishes. Jayden Gandhi, TBN.